Good day, guys. Hope you had an amazing week. This is Brendan, the CEO of Sophia FX and CCI. So in this video, I'm going to give you market breakdown on different currencies, including gold and also other instruments. It's the first week of August, my birthday month, so I'm excited for August. I'm in the office, preparing for the week, seeing what instruments I'm going to be trading, and I'm excited to show you the entries that I have made. Gold looks promising, and also other instruments that are looking very promising. Last week has been a great week. Only Friday that we had a little bit of challenges in the week, but yeah, let's see what happens in the week. Let me show you my charts.
So guys, we are going to start immediately with gold. Gold has touched the supply area right here, and we're expecting to see lower gold coming all the way down to these regions right here. Yeah, so those are the things that we're looking at. TP1 4,021 and 3,995. Those are the levels that I'm expecting gold to go to, but there are some thin lines. We want to see gold holding this area right here. Okay, we need to see gold holding this area. Once gold is above these highs right here, then we will see a different direction on gold. All right, but as long as it is in this area, right, keeping this area, respecting price here, then we can see gold falling down and then hitting the first TP. So the risk reward is not that bad. You can see a good risk reward on a setup like this, even if you have a conservative stop loss, something like so, 4%, and over here 7%. Not that bad at all. Yeah, that is basically what I see for gold. Euro USD the same. Expecting Euro USD to retrace and then buy, but you see, I haven't been trading Euro USD for some time, so let me just be honest, guys. Let me just be frank with you. I strongly believe that Euro USD has retraced now to where it has to be, and but I'm still looking at the POIs. Okay, this is the first POI over here that I'm looking at, and there is also this POI that I'm looking at on Euro USD. So those are the key points of where I'm looking for Euro USD to start moving from, So I think that this is now the beginning of the sell of Euro USD, for the days to come, for us to see Euro USD going all the way down. But let's wait for, more confluence and more confirmation and all that stuff. Some people can wait to see this low again out, and then you can start looking for price to start going down. Then you can wait for price to start going down. You can start expecting price to go down, and on Euro USD. What other instruments are there? GBP USD. GBP USD is still on a flow state. GBP USD is still in that flow state. Also the same you see with Euro USD. Euro USD is at a POI, but in an inefficiency area right here. Okay, we are seeing that this is the inefficiency area, and it's right here. But I don't want to rush too much with this heavy sell on Euro USD, because sometimes you can see Euro USD coming like this and then buying. That's why I'm like, I need to see this low taken out in order for me to start looking for that opposite direction of movement on Euro USD. Same thing with GBP USD and all that stuff. So we are seeing that DXY has been a bit complicated for some time, but DXY is on target. Took out this liquidity right here, so we might start seeing DXY going all the way up again, because at the end of the day, long term, we are waiting to see DXY taking out these highs right here. that is basic. Like all of us know that we're expecting DXY to take out this high. You know, it's just a matter of time. So we see this low being taken out right here. If we see this low taken out right here, you know, that will also be even a stronger confirmation for us to start looking for a higher dollar. But long term, we are expecting the dollar to go there. So this analysis that I'm giving you is not analysis that's going to happen immediately, okay? Because sometimes there can be a little bit of delays, and then you start seeing the move happening. All right, so it takes a lot of patience for you now to be able to wait for the setup to form, you know, for all those things to come together, for the setup to play out. So if you are rushing, I would not advise, you know, anyone to participate in the market if you are not patient, you know, because at the end of the day, we want patient people. So we see price coming to this area right here. It will be a stronger confirmation if it takes out this low here, before we start seeing price going higher. And price is still in this internal range. So I want to see what happens in this range. If it takes out this high, stronger confirmation, but we are seeing price is retracing. So we will see above here would be a good confirmation to go up, but inside here there is a high chance that price can respect here to go down and take out this low here, and then start, you know, giving us that opportunity to go up. So we should also look out for that type of an idea, and that gives us a broader understanding of what's going to happen in the other pairs also and other instruments also. Obviously for the mentorship, I'll be giving better entries, better ideas for what I'm looking at in the market. Okay, currently my main focus is on gold, and I'm expecting to see certain big movements on gold, but I'm very patient to see gold moving. Okay guys, I'm a big gold trader. Okay, I'm only doing this market review things for you guys, so that you guys can have, you know, analysis. If you're maybe trading EURUSD, if you're maybe trading all those other things, so these videos are basically for you guys to see, and all that stuff. So I'm not confirming any entries yet on forex, but I'm having ideas for gold, and I'm looking very, you know, very much on gold, and yeah, DXY, like I said, still waiting for this high to be taken out, still in this range. Might see price falling down to take out this low and then start going up, or if we see price above here, then we can go all the way up there. That is my whole perception of the whole thing. We see USD Swissy also showing us a huge retracement over here, but price did not change bullish yet. So price did not really change bullish yet. So I don't know if I can trade this. Also this, I don't know if I can trade this. This was successful trade that we had over here, but this I don't think this is a good market condition that we can trade in. Okay, so I'm just scrolling through other instruments that I might be looking for ideas, and basically seeing what other ideas we can find. So all of this was great, but price never eventually came to the conclusion of, you know, taking out this highs over here. So we're still waiting to see what happens there. AUDUSD, price did not eventually come to this inefficiency for us to start, you know, looking for those sells over there. So, but it came to the inefficiency right here, because I'm expecting AUDUSD to sell heavily up to this low. So for you guys that are trading, look at this. This is a very important analysis here. Very important analysis here for you guys to look at if you want to be successful in this thing here. So maybe you can push it a little bit like this and then have better entry. So this could be your first entry to have a high risk setup, and then your medium setup like that to take it all the way down like so. 7% on that one, and then 13% on this one. All right, not that bad. Those are the instruments that I have for you guys this week. It's a bit scrambled, but yeah, thank you.